Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Together with the Zondacrypto, we are going to take a look at the Chili's quarter to tether daily time frame chart. Let's dig in. Wednesday, May 15, 2024, by the way. So what do we have here? The first thing here is very easy to spot on. That consolidation here after massive drop from 0.16 to 0.09, right? So this looks like a solid support. Let me just mark it for you guys. So there you go. This is the solid support, and we will make it like a thick green line. Yeah, there you go. This is solid support. Now the technical resistance then is located a little bit higher, and I guess that this zone here between the levels of 0.1290, that's the first one. Now 0.1304 and one more level, which is here, 0.1265. This is what we can consider as the supply zone. Unfortunately, we need to basically mark it with a thick rectangle. So the supply zone rectangle is always it's always red. So this is the situation here. We got this zone, okay, and we got this zone here. Without breaking above this zone, Chili's cannot go back to the uptrend, basically, right? So let me just point out this zone, so there is no doubt what we are talking about. Okay, we can see that previously this zone acted beautifully as a support, then it was broken massively, then it was tested again, and then rejection, first rejection, test of the support, second rejection. Now we go back down again. One more level I would like to point out is the low of the this is the May 1st, 2020 and 24. So we got some narrow zone here, 0.0920, 0.0899, basically. All right. So what is going on here? Basically, we are seeing a very nice movement to the downside. So it's nice, of course, for the bears, but the RSI indicator is showing us that they are already in control of the market. Any breakout above the level of 50 would be considered bullish. However, if we break above the level of 50, we need to see breakout above the supply zone. If there is no breakout above the supply zone, and even the momentum is positive, like here we went up to the level of 57 points. Nevertheless, it wasn't enough to break above the supply zone. Market reversed, and now we back at the level of 40 points. So momentum is definitely negative, weak, and the bears are in control of the market. If we add one more thing to our chart, which is of course the moving average course, we can see that 9 and 26 moving averages are already on the chart, but this is not what we are after. We are after this one, 100 and 200 periods moving average, and we can see it clearly that this the current price is between 100 and 200 period moving average. So we can stay in this zone here for the extended period of time, because the bulls are unable to continue the uptrend and break above the supply zone, and the bears are unable to break below the technical support and continue to the downside below 100 and 200 period moving average for a sustained period of time, right? So right now we just locked in between these zones and in between the moving averages. However, because of the recent developments on the Chili's, it still looks like the bears are basically more in favor right now on the market. So the ease of movement right now is to the downside than to the upside, and the bears might benefit from it, especially after this technical support is violated. All right, so please stay focused, stay vigilant, keep an eye on the latest developments on the Chili's, because it looks like we either stay in this range or we will have the breakout possibly to the downside because of the increasing bearish pressure. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.